So let's look if your model, it does not look as clean as the that other model I showed with all of the walls filled in. So say you have a lot of lines here, and this looks good, except that, for some reason these, I'm not getting everything filled in the way I'd like it to be, and I don't know why. And what happens is somewhere there is a gap, meaning that if you were to fill this with water, there would be a hole somewhere in this thing. So one thing you can do is put some extra lines in here to kind of fill that hole. So for example, I'm going to draw a line from here across to this side here. And look, that filled in some sections here. So it was able to fill in this entire part here. And there actually still are some extra lines here that we might want to erase, but let's not worry about that now. So let's figure out why this section here isn't being filled in. So to do that, let's just kind of, like I expect this whole thing to be what we call watertight, where it should fill in, but it's not for some reason. So let's just take a point about halfway over, and we're going to fill in this section here. So that means that if we close off this part, now this is okay. So our problem is further down the line here. So I can just look through here, and let's say I'm going to close this part off here. Nope, that didn't do it. Let's see, where else can we go? Let's close this part off right here. Ah, that was interesting. What if I close that? No. So all I'm doing is just, I'm looking for the gap. It's here somewhere, and I gotta find it. So let's just start drawing some lines and see what happens. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, so let's say in this model, you can see that right here, this is a part where this wall might want to be on that wall, but I'm going to draw a line from here along the red line to here, and that fills in, so I'm happy with that. So just some tricks that we can use to fill in and find sections that for some reason didn't fill automatically. Once we've done this, we want to go back and delete these lines that we added, so that when we do pull this wall up, it all comes up nice and clean without any issues.